Hey guys, another thing I wanted to mention that is when you're streaming this on YouTube, make sure you go up to the three little dots if you're on mobile, or I'm not sure exactly on computer. Go up there and change the resolution settings. A lot of times the default setting is like 360, 480, and the 360 degree camera angles just look like crap. So go ahead, raise that up. The clarity will come in, it'll be good looking, and enjoy the shows. Here's another great chance to see what this camera can pick up. Driving in the rain, as you can see, you got a little bit of rain on the windshield here. For use over the Atlantic, we call it the windscreen, if you know what I mean. Of course you guys do. But yeah, just to see how, you know, it's spotty rain showers, but it's kind of, you know, another nice little thing to see on camera at a 360 degree view, including, you know, a red light up here that I gotta slow down for. Dang it. But yeah, it's turning out really well so far. A lot of the testing I've done for this camera I'm really enjoying. You know, I do feel like a complete idiot talking to a camera because, you know, I'm not used to it too much. You know, I'm trying to find, I guess, my personality for the camera. You know, it's one thing, I'm very, you know, one-on-one, I'm a sociable person. I can talk to anybody, you know, especially when it comes to cars. I'll sit there and talk to them for hours, it seems like, if I really, you know, if I'm into it. So, a camera, it's a lot harder because it's all about me. There's no interaction. I'm constantly trying to come up with content to speak and talk, you know, all while making sure I don't mess up or I don't pause too long. And it's a little bit of a, you know, personal struggle. I'm kind of a quiet person, you know, socially, and I don't really expose myself on the interwebs, but it's you know, it's something I'm breaking through and trying to experience, and you know, and so far it's been a decent experience. You know, this camera makes it a lot of fun. You know, like, look at all the beads of water. Let's see what this looks like on camera when I wipe it away. You know, it's just cool little stuff like that this camera can pick up, and it's just not normal footage that you see on the internet, at least not that I've looked for it, especially in the car community. There is some out there, you know, at the drag strip, you know, boosted F-150 guys who have those 360 degree cameras, but it looks like he does go back and edit, which is probably what I will do in the future with this camera also. But anyways, it's just something I wanted to, you know, make a short clip of this rain coming down, shower, even though the sun's trying to peek through. Yeah, but just look at that rain on there.